Hello, good people. Welcome to Apodel's Multimedia. This is your usual fancy lesson teacher, Ochechenyi Apiaventa. On this episode of Apodel's Multimedia and Fancy Kasesua, we are going to walk you through the days of the week. Yes, the days of the week. Don't go away. We'll be right back. Says Yarati, Mutumu Kamfansin Kakran Kakra. Osana Apodel's Multimedia Mfansi Kasesua. Thank you for staying. As we have informed you earlier, we will walk you through the days of the week in fancy. Yes, the days of the week in fancy. Let's start. Joda. Joda. Benada. Benada. Wukuda. Wukuda. Yauda. Yauda. Fida. Fida. Meminda. Meminda. Kwesida. Kwesida.
Ye me fancy kasesua na konenyim. Apodel's Multimedia yo.
Okay, guys, so that was it. Thank you very much for being here once again on Apodel's Multimedia and Fancy Kasesua. We are glad you have learned the days of the week in fancy with us. We hope to meet again next time on this channel. Until then, bye-bye.
Apodel's Multimedia Mfansi Kasesua na edo. Maheno more.